Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelance opportunities with Indeed, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Indeed account if you haven't already. Visit the Indeed website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once registered, log into your account and navigate to your profile. Complete your profile by adding your skills, experience, and education. Use keywords relevant to your niche to enhance your visibility. Upload a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Next, set up job alerts to receive notifications for relevant freelance opportunities. Define your search criteria based on location, job type, and keywords. Adjust the frequency of the alerts to suit your needs. Explore the freelance jobs section under the job search tab. Find listings that match your skills and interests. Read through each job posting carefully to ensure it aligns with your expertise. Prepare a tailored resume and cover letter for each application. Highlight your relevant experience and specific skills related to the job. Submit applications through Indeed's platform, following the provided instructions. After applying, consider reaching out to the employer directly if possible. Craft a short, professional message expressing your interest. Utilize Indeed's Resource Center for additional tips on improving your applications. Regularly check your account for updates on your applications. Stay proactive by continuing to apply to new opportunities as they arise. Engage with potential clients through Indeed's messaging feature if available. Network with other freelancers on the platform for insights and advice. Consider joining relevant industry groups on Indeed to expand your reach. Utilize Indeed salary tools to ensure you are pricing your services competitively. Gather testimonials and feedback from previous clients to build credibility. As you secure more projects, adjust your profile to reflect your growing experience. Continuously refine your job alerts to focus on higher paying or more fulfilling roles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.